Not gonna lie, if your edits look like this, yeah, that's probably why it's not doing well. Because it should look like this. And it's actually really easy.
Go to background and change it to the blur. And then move it down. Export it. Then undo it. Then go to the overlay and take the same video that we just exported. Then go to the blend and choose darken. Export the video. Now take the same video that we just exported, go to the blend and choose contrast and lower it down. Then take a white overlay and go to blend and choose overlay. That's it.